Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add songs to your Spotify playlist from TikTok. I think this is super cool. There's going to be an add song in some of these audios, and you're going to select it. Then you're going to hit the your preferred music app. I use Spotify, so I'm just going to select that. And as you can see, it added to my library like songs, but it's because I've already linked it. So make sure you have linked your TikTok with your Spotify. So if I open the Spotify app, the song will be there. As you can see, this is the song that I liked. If you want to remove it, just simply hit that and select remove this from your playlist. But again, it works. As you can see, if you want to add it again, you can just select the Spotify and it's going to be added to my library like songs. If the option isn't there, just select the audio and select the Spotify button here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!